Hi guys, and welcome to Cooper Motorcycles. This is our lovely Triumph Street Triple. It's a 10-year anniversary model. It's a very limited edition, only 50 were ever made, and this one's number 25. I've got all the keys and a service handbook, and it's got service history, and when it's sold it'll have a proper service in our Texa equipped workshop. I've also got all the standard parts for the bike, including the exhaust, the pillion, footrest hangers and so on, including the headlamps. Anyway, it's a lovely bike. When it's sold, it'll be serviced. It'll get up to 3 years RAC warranty. We can do finance through our partners over at MotoNovo, and we can do UK delivery. If part exchange is your thing, we'd love to hear about your bike. So please have a look and give us a call. Thanks a lot. Bye.